little things. I'm back with project number 5. We've done the elf in project 1, we've done the sun catcher, we've done the big elf character, and we've done the pom-pom snowman in number 4. So for number 5 we're going to do one of the photo frames, so just bear with me while I get the kit. Right, so I'll pop those out of the way for a minute, and here's the foam photo frames. These are £1 and you make 3. These are recommended for age 3 and above. And as with the others, they've got a resealable pack, which is quite handy, so that you can make one if you want and then get the rest out another day. Oh, a bit is falling out, I'm not sure if that's important. So you've got a set of sticky pads here, and then it seems you've got each kit separate. Not suitable for children under 3. Adult assistance and supervision is recommended. Please read the instruction, blah blah blah. Foam shapes and stickers, ribbon double-sided foam stickers. Place foam face on photo and cut around the edge. Oh, I'll do the fairy. I won't do those two. So I'll do the fairy. I haven't got a photo here. But I'll go and get one. Won't take me a minute. So there we go. Cut around the edge, cut the photo smaller along the edge and fix it to the back of the foam face using the double-sided foam stickers. Stick this to the front of the selected foam shape. So I'm going to pop this on there, but then you can't see the hole. What I'm assuming I think I had to put the string through the hole first, because it's not it's higher than the hole. So we pop that on, and then we use the foam stickers. So these have got an adhesive background. So we put the hair on. So these are really cute and they're so easy for little children to use, I'd say. These are the arms. Yeah, these are cute. This is a fab little easy project for little hands to do, I'd say. Once you've cut the photographs out. And then they're quite big pieces, not like some of them that have had really fiddly little bits. And put the little skirt bottom on. These are just a bit bigger and a little bit more easy to take apart. Has that got the... Oh, that had the thing going through the halo. So you could do that. And then we've got the little feet. There we go. Little feet, and then these must be the little hands to poke out the bottom of those sleeves. So cute. Oh, I've put them on upside down. Oh dear, they stick really well as well. So they do come off, so you're not going to have screaming kids having tantrums if they accidentally put things down before something else. Yeah, there are lots of little pieces though, so, and there's little bits that get left over, so I would be careful. But that, I think that is possibly my favourite so far. That's definitely my favourite so far, not possibly, it is. So that's my favourite little project so far. I really like those. I definitely recommend those. 3 of them for £1. I mean, you keep a little group of kids happy for ages with a couple of sets of those. So yeah, I'm really enjoying that one. So thanks for joining me for that one. I definitely recommend that one. I love it. So easy to do. No small pieces and very cute. No sort of fiddly pieces. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again for the next one in an hour.